Hey guys, Andy here in my garage, and I did not buy a Ferrari, but this is just my kid's quad. But you know what's more important than material things? Knowledge. And in this video, I'll show you how to replace your what are they called? How to replace your garage door sensors. So step one, I did some troubleshooting. As you can see, my multimeter on the floor to see that it is actually sensors and not just a loose connection is in the wires or something like that. If you want to check out my troubleshooting video, you can check it out at the end of this video. Step two, this is what the sensor looks like. Usually has two wire nuts like this. Just remember how they're wired and remove it. So you typically, in mine, the white was with the white and the dark with the line was with the dark color. So just make sure it's wired the same way. On the sensor side, on the sensor itself, there's a wing nut that you just remove. I would keep the wing nut. You see there's a bolt and it just comes right off. And you even have a little part number and information on there if you want to buy an OEM. I got these new sensors on Amazon. They were about $16 plus tax. So as you can see, I made sure that they were the same style as the ones that I have. So I'll show you how to install them. Installation is fairly simple, but let's see, we've got some hardware here and let's do a quick install. Take one of your sensors, stretch out, the wire, and then on mine, they're like connected. So you want to rip this apart. So it looks like this, kind of like that. So that way they're further away from each other. There's less chances of them shorting and touching each other. So in my kit, I got these clips. You put your sensor wire in here like this, and then you put the wire that you're connecting it to like this, and then you just press this down. You're supposed to press it down. Yeah, like that, and it connects them. So it's just a quicker wire connector, which is really cool. Do that on the other side too. So again, my darker goes with the one that has the black line. You might want to check yours and do what yours had, and then just push this, and you can see right away the light turned on. Then take the nut that it came with, put it through like this, put it through the hole, put the wing nut on it like that, and do the same on the other side. As you can see, I did the same thing on this side. This one's working now. I tucked the wires kind of out of the way, so if I'm sweeping, it doesn't touch it, so I don't rip it. And let's test it out. Sure enough, the error went away. And when I press on the garage door, let's see if I can stop it. It opens. I was able to stop it. And now let's see if I can close it and walk through the sensors. So it's closing. Let's walk through the sensors. Put my foot. Oh, it stopped it. It's going back. Because I stopped it with my foot, it gave me an error. So I would just press it to clear that. Now it's supposed to close all the way down. And we're back to normal. Now I just have to reset the timer. And that's it. If you want to check it out how to reset the timer on this thing, check out this next video. Or if you want to see how I troubleshoot the sensors, check out the video in the description below. Thanks for watching.